Welcome to the Z Standing Ready channel, where we look at all things related to astronomy. Today, we will be looking at the achievements of Charles Messier, an astronomer who cataloged many of the unexplained objects in the night sky to aid in the search for comets. Charles Messier, a renowned astronomer of the 18th century, played a pivotal role in revolutionizing our understanding of the celestial bodies. His catalog of 110 astronomical objects, known as the Messier Catalog, remains a cornerstone of astronomical research to this day. The primary purpose of the Messier Catalog was to aid comet hunters. During Messier's time, observing comets was a popular activity, and the presence of other faint fuzzy objects in the sky often caused confusion and false alarms when trying to identify new comets. To avoid these distractions, Messier compiled a list of non-cometary objects he encountered during his observations. This allowed him and other comet hunters to ignore these objects and focus on identifying comets. At this time in history, almost nothing was known about the shape of galaxies or nebula. They all looked like bright, fuzzy objects through the unrefined telescopes of the time. Messier's objects included various types of astronomical phenomena, such as star clusters, nebula, and galaxies. Many of these objects are visible with binoculars or small telescopes, making them popular targets even today for amateur astronomers. Some famous Messier objects include Messier 31, M31, the Andromeda Galaxy, the nearest large spiral galaxy to our own Milky Way; Messier 42, M42, the Orion Nebula, a stunning emission nebula in the constellation Orion; Messier 45, M45, the Pleiades, a well-known open star cluster in Taurus; M13, Messier 13, the Great Hercules Cluster, a globular cluster located in the constellation Hercules. To comprehend the roots of his accomplishments, it is crucial to explore the early influences that shaped Messier's life. This essay delves into the formative experiences and encounters that ignited his passion for astronomy and paved the way for his significant contributions to the field. Charles Messier was born on June 26, 1730, in Bandonville, Lorraine, France. Raised in a humble family, Messier exhibited a deep curiosity from an early age. It was his innate desire to understand the workings of the universe that steered his life's trajectory. Although his family did not possess any formal education in astronomy, they encouraged his inquisitive nature and supported his pursuit of knowledge. One of the most influential events in Messier's early life was the sighting of the Great Comet of 1744, when he was just 14 years old. The sighting of this celestial spectacle left a profound impression on him. The comet's luminous tail stretched across the night sky, captivating young Messier's imagination and fueling his determination to explore the mysteries of the cosmos. At the age of 21, Messier was fortunate enough to meet Joseph Deleuze, an esteemed French astronomer and mathematician. Deleuze recognized Messier's passion and potential and took him under his wing. This fortuitous association provided Messier with a solid foundation in his observational astronomy, honing his skills in celestial cartography and astronomical measurement techniques. Deleuze's mentorship led Messier to focus his attention on the search for comets. In the 18th century, comets held a significant scientific and cultural importance. Understanding and observing comets were of great interest to astronomers and the general public during that time. Comets were intriguing celestial phenomenon because of their unique appearance and erratic movements across the night sky. Their unpredictable nature sparks scientific curiosity and inquiry, driving astronomers to study and try to understand their behavior. Comets were among the most prominent celestial events visible to the naked eye. Their sudden appearance and sometimes spectacular tales made them awe-inspiring and captured the public's imagination. Studying comets helped advance the field of astronomy and celestial mechanics. Also in the 18th century, as in earlier times, comets were often associated with superstitions and seen as omens of impending disasters or significant events. People believed that comets brought terrible luck, wars, plagues, and other calamities. This belief persisted despite the scientific efforts to understand comets better. And discovering comets was a competitive pursuit among astronomers. It brought fame and recognition to those who successfully identified and reported new comets. Charles Messier's catalog was partly created to help comet hunters differentiate between permanent objects, like star clusters and galaxies, and transient objects, like comets. The study of comets in the 18th century contributed to a significant advancement in the understanding of celestial mechanics, the nature of the solar system, and the dynamics of these celestial bodies. Comets played a crucial role in validating the Newtonian model of gravity and motion. One of the most famous comets observed during this period was Halley's Comet. Its return in 1758 was highly anticipated and well documented, as it confirmed the comet's periodic nature and orbital characteristics predicted by Edmund Halley. This event further fueled interest in comets. Overall, comets in the 18th century were both objects of scientific inquiry and sources of fascination and fear in society. The study of comets paved the way for a better understanding of the solar system and the laws governing celestial motion. As scientific knowledge progressed, the superstitions and fears associated with comets gradually diminished, and they were appreciated primarily for their scientific value. Messier's extensive observations and meticulous cataloging of various celestial objects, including comets, significantly contributed to the growing body of knowledge in the field. Apart from comets, Messier also dedicated a considerable amount of time observing the moon and the sun. His meticulous observations of lunar features, such as craters and mountain ranges, helped refine the understanding of the moon's topography. Moreover, Messier's solar observations, including sunspots and solar eclipses, provided valuable data for scientists studying the dynamics of the sun. As time went on, Messier studied and collaborated with another pivotal influence in his life. The individual, Pierre Méchain, a fellow astronomer and colleague, shared his passion for astronomical exploration and fostered a productive partnership, culminating in the compilation of the famous Messier catalog. This catalog contained a comprehensive list of non-cometary celestial objects, including nebulae, star clusters, and galaxies, which served as a guide to prevent these objects from being mistaken for comets. Charles Messier's journey from an inquisitive young boy to a renowned astronomer was shaped by a combination of personal curiosity and influential encounters. His early life experiences, including his fascination with the Great Comet of 1744 and his collaboration with influential figures like Joseph Deslay and Pierre Méchain, laid the foundation for his revolutionary work in astronomy. Messier's impact resonates even today, as his catalog of celestial objects continues to guide astronomers worldwide. His story serves as a testament to the power of passion and perseverance in unlocking the secrets of the universe. Charles Messier died on April 12, 1817. He passed away in Paris, France. His contributions to astronomy continues to be acknowledged and appreciated to this day. R.I.P. Charles Messier.